Your team just clocked out after another full day. 8 hours, dozens of tasks, meetings, deadlines, whatnot. But here's the question no one really asks out loud. What actually got done today? And honestly, you don't really know about it. If you manage a team, remote, hybrid or in office, you already know this feeling. You trust your people, but trust without visibility is not leadership, it's just a gamble. And while that's happening, you have no idea who is actually productive and who is just clocking hours, which websites are eating your company's time, whether sensitive data is leaving your organization or where your field team is right now. You're not alone. Thousands of managers face these blind spots every day. The problem is you don't have the right tools to manage and track it. Until now. Introducing EMP Monitor's real-time activity tracking for managers who are done guessing. With EMP Monitor, here's what you will get. Screenshot monitoring. Automatic screen captures of your team throughout the day. See exactly who's working on what without even asking. Productivity tracking. See exactly who's working, who's idle, and how each person's day actually broke out. Real numbers, no guesses. Activity-based alerts. Get notified the moment any unusual activity happens. You will be the first to know that. Web and app usage. See exactly which sites your team uses during work hours and for how long. And EMP Monitor doesn't just track productivity, it tracks your business too. USB detection. Get an instant alert when any external device gets plugged in your company's system. Data doesn't announce itself, but now you will know it. Geolocation tracking. See where your team is working from in real time. Perfect for remote or field teams. Insider risk analysis. Unusual behavior gets flagged automatically before it becomes a real problem. And everything gets compiled into clear reports automatically, always ready for review or audit anytime. Remember the moment at 5 p.m. wondering where the day went. But with the EMP Monitor, this moment is completely gone. You will exactly know who delivered and who didn't, who was present and who was present but just on paper. You will lead every review with real data and every conversation with real insights. Because great managers don't guess, they already know. EMP Monitor is trusted by over 10,000 businesses worldwide, giving the managers clarity they need to lead with confidence. Remote team, hybrid or in office, it works the way you need to. Start completely free. No credit card, no commitment, no risk. Click below, get set up in under 10 minutes. See your team's real activity starting today. EMP Monitor, because every clarity drives performance.